welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys this one. This is the Palace Skateboards Spacer Beanie. This one is the color Fluro yellow. I got this for $38 plus $12 shipping. So damn, the total damage is $60. So let's go ahead and get this open. What the? My bad, my miscalculations. 38 plus 12 is $50. So in case you guys need to return, here is the return form. But wow, this is like a neon green, what they call floral yellow. And this, I got the classic tri-fur decal. So let's go ahead and check on this Spacer Beanie, one size fit all. It looks, I'm not sure, it's kind of small looking, but and be sure you have this warning for your authenticity. I'm just gonna cut it open. Cut the tape, I mean. Oh my god, what is that? Dirt? Are you kidding me? And there's a pea, whatever that was left over. Well, I need to file a complaint about to the customer service. I'm not sure, is that stitching or what is that? It looks like it's iron on. That's messed up. Iron on is cheap. I could just get my own letter and put pallets on this. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, looks so cheap. And I'm paying what, $38 for this? This is the fake Supreme. And it's almost a similar size. Wow. Even the cheap one, this one is even thicker. Oh my gosh. Anyway, here is the label. Palace Skateboard. 100% acrylic. And this one is made in Korea. That is the RN number. Actually, I'm pretty disappointed with this purchase. I'm not going to cop any of the Palace Beanie anymore. It's kind of ridiculous. For that price. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. I'm gonna file this paper and file return. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.